Hey guys, it's Amanda. Welcome back to my channel. Right now I'm in the middle of a nature preserve. Gonna find a whole slew of caches. There's about 20 caches in this preserve, and it's a little cold, but at least it's not raining, which it has been raining the past couple of days, so I'm just glad for some dry weather and not pouring down raining, freezing cold weather. It's still cold, but at least it's not raining. So coming up to my first cache of the day, which is a medium-sized cache from about 200 feet. So let's go see. I'm hoping this is a good cache, like an ammo can. I love finding ammo cans. Oh, I think I see it, but my shoelace is caught. Yeah. Alright, let's see what we've got. Alright, got a logbook. It's one of these pinball games. Got a little bouncy ball. A little dinosaur. I think I might trade for the dinosaur. But now these caches are actually put out by the nature preserve, which I think is really cool because they want to attract people such as myself to come here, and I mean it worked, so good on them. Alright, I've got a McDonald's toy, so throw that in there. I'm going to keep the dinosaur. Alright, I'm coming up on the second cache of the day, and from the trail I saw this interesting piece of hardware, and if you look inside, there's a little film canister. Alright, that was way too hard to get out, but falling off the rock. But we have a dry log, which is always nice. So I'm going to sign this and then put it back, and we'll continue on the trail. So I probably should have read the description of that cache before I found it, but apparently it was a old home site of a person who obviously had property on this nature preserve before it was given over to the state, and it's kind of cool. Like, you could see the foundation of the house and stuff that was originally there, and I guess that thing was something to do with the house, so it was kind of cool. So this trail is also a horse trail, and one of the things I'm having to avoid is the poop, so that's fun. Hopefully my shoes are not ruined after this trip. Alright, cache number 3 of the day. I'm 85 feet, and looks like a few big trees over here, so that's where I'm going to head. Alright, I think this is it. Or maybe not. I mean, to me that looked like a geopile. Tell me what y'all think. If you would have seen a pile of sticks like that, you would have come and looked there too, right? So I think my coordinates were just wrong, because now it's over here. Oh, ouch. Alright, let's see what we've got. This is cute. It's a little sea turtle. It's an eraser. Cute. ping pong ball. Looks like maybe another eraser. It's a football. Some pens and a logbook. Ooh, this is cute. It's a little felt heart. But other pictures show that this was originally a ammo can. So I wonder how many logs, like how far back the logs in this book go. So, yep, see, cache replaced April 26th, 2019. Not many logs on here, but 11. Oh, this one was found yesterday. That pen doesn't work. So I just wanted to share one of the things that I'm using as tradable swag is I went to a Brewfest a few weeks ago and I got a lot of like cool brewery stickers. So maybe for the geocachers who are over the age of 21, maybe they'll enjoy finding those. So that's what I'm going to be putting in the caches today. So. Alright, found the, what is this, fourth cache of the day. This little, looks like a cookie tin. Wonder how wet or dry this is going to be. Alright, looks like we have, there's another one of those eraser things. These are actually really cool. And it's smart having them in these bags. So, another ping pong ball. So, new cache. Unfortunately, it looks like it's been beaten up a little bit. Someone maybe lost their reading glasses. I wonder if this pen works. It's pretty cool. It looks like this is the most updated log, the driest log. Oh god, that is disgusting. That is soaking wet. Yuck. So you might notice that the quality on the phone or the camera is different, and that's because my camera is, the memory card's full on my camera. So I'm sorry if this is like shaky and different quality, but my memory card was empty when I started, and for some reason it got full really quick. So I think I've accidentally put the wrong memory card in. So, oh well, but at least I have my phone. Alright, I think I already see it. Oh, right there. So tiny. Alright, I'm coming up onto the next cache, and it's this very large geo pile. Let's hope there may be nothing in here. It's super wet. Alright, I hope that you can see me, so I don't have the little viewfinder thing. Ooh. It's got that old cache smell. More of these eraser things. Oh, this is cute. It's a little, looks like it's 3D printed. This is actually really cool. 3D. I'm gonna trade for this. That's super cool. It's a 3D printed boat. That's cool. I'm gonna trade for that. So I'm gonna send the log. I'm gonna put one of my stickers, maybe 2 of my stickers, to someone. This is cool. It's really cool. Alright, so I have one more cache to get, and that one's actually where I parked. So I have probably about 500 feet before I get there. So one more, and we're done. So after looking at some logs, it looks like there used to be this thing that had like brochures. You can see the screw holes for it there, and it must have been attached to that because it's gone. And it looked like it was one of those magnetic things, like the key boxes, and this whole thing is wood. So I'm not seeing anywhere that it could be attached to other than like this, but I don't think so. Oh well, one DNF for the day, but that's alright. Alright, so we're back in the car. I found 9 caches, 1 DNF, so if I would have found that one over there, it would have been 10, but looks like it hadn't been found for a while, so that's okay. But if you liked this video, you can click right here and see some more of my content, and if you're not already, subscribe, and we'll see you next week.